I'm Tommy Lee, Western Regional Sales for Contra Vision. Today, we're at one of the largest distributors here in Southern California, Sign Mart's Plastics Plus. Today, we're going to be removing some old perforated window film. This perforated film has been used way beyond its outdoor rated life. Specifically, it's been up for about 8 years. We're going to remove this perforated window film, clean up the glass, remove any adhesive residue, and get it ready for new perforated window film installation. Having window film up for this long is completely not recommended. Contra Vision Performance is rated for 5 years, but that 5-year rating is based off of clean removal. This is well past that date, so when perforated window film is left up for this long, you're gonna get lots of residue, lots of adhesive, and it's just not gonna be easy to take off. So let's get these windows cleaned, prepped, and ready for a new graphic installation. We're using a nice, fresh, sharp razor blade, and although it may seem like it's coming off pretty easily here, it's actually leaving an immense amount of residue here that I'm gonna have to clean up afterwards. When installing new perforated window film, we wanna make sure that the glass is as clean as possible so that the new adhesive has its best chance for having really, really good contact on the glass. One of the things is that during the removal, I'm wearing some rubber gloves, latex gloves. It's something that I like to do because I want to keep my hands as clean as possible so that when I go to do my installation later, I don't have dirty hands touching all the new, fresh adhesive and possibly contaminating that surface and making it so that we don't have a good, strong bond. All right, so now that we've removed some of the film, on this half of the glass at least, I'm gonna go back and remove some of this adhesive. Put on a fresh razor blade, sprayed some of my soap and water solution. We're just gonna scrape off all this adhesive. You can see how much of it's coming off right on this blade. Should come off in nice, kind of big chunks. This is a really long, tedious process. Sometimes the adhesive actually smears, so you gotta go through it again. It's best to have a nice, fresh razor blade. Change it often. All right, and we're back at the Sign Mart project. Removed all the old perf up. Perf was about 7 years old, so we got all that stuff off. A little bit of a rain delay, but we came back, cleaned the windows again because it's been a couple weeks. Quick wipe down with just soap and water. Final rinse with water only. Product we're going to be installing today is Contra Vision Performance 20%. This is an east-facing window. Lots of sun gets in here. There's lots of people working behind these windows right here, so we're going to use this product to block out all that sun. And that's a wrap. We got the new graphics up. Everything's looking great. Installation was super easy. But you know what wasn't easy? It was the removal of the old perforated film that was on there for way longer than its intended service life. If you have an upcoming project that requires some perforated window film, reach out to the team at Contra Vision, and we'd be happy to help you find the right product for your application.